Get ready. Start. The appeal is admitted and taken up for final disposal at the request of the learned counsel appearing for the parties. Full stop. Para. The claimants being aggrieved by the judgment and award dated for 2 2012, comma, passed in MVC number 512 bar 2008, comma, by the I additional senior civil judge and additional MACT Dharwad, comma, have filed this appeal. Full stop. Para. The case of the claimants before the tribunal is that, comma, on 27 6 2007, comma, at about 2:45 p.m. near the land belonging to one Hebbaldi on PB Road, comma, between Narendra and Hubballi, comma, one Ulvappa was traveling in lorry bearing registration number MA 43 bar E 3880 as Hamel, full stop. The driver of the said lorry drove the same in a rash and negligent manner, comma, lost control over the lorry and it was turtle down in a ditch by the side of the road. Full stop. Due to the accident, comma, Uluvappa sustained fatal injuries and died on the spot. Full stop. The claimants number 1, 2, 4 are the wife, comma, daughter and 2 sons of the deceased, comma, who were fully dependent upon his income. Full stop. The deceased was a laborer in lorry and was earning 6,000 per month along with daily bata of 40. The mother of the deceased was also implicated as respondent number 3 in the claim petition. Full stop. Therefore, the claimants claimed compensation of 20 lakh rupees against the owner and insurer of the offending vehicle. Full stop. Who are respondents number 1 and 2 respectively. Full stop. Para. In response to the notices, comma, respondents number 1 was absent and he was placed expert. Full stop. Respondent number 2 or insurer appeared before the tribunal through his counsel and filed the statement of objections denying the averment made in the claim petition. Full stop. He further contended that his liability is subject to production of original policy. Full stop. Driving license, comma, permit of the lorry, etc. He has denied the age, comma, occupation and income of the deceased. Full stop. The deceased was not a laborer in the lorry. involved in the accident. Full stop. He filed additional objections contending that the deceased was an unauthorized passenger in the lorry and insurance company is not liable to pay the compensation and that the driver full stop stop